Hi, I wanted just to talk a little bit more about perseverance. It's so important that your kids know how to persevere. And in the guided math group, it's a perfect opportunity to give kids the space to think, to stick with it, and to feel the feelings around whatever they're feeling when they get stuck, and to have scaffolds so that they believe in themselves, so that they know, hey, I'm stuck, but I can get out of this situation. I can use my scaffold. And your job as the teacher, when the kids get stuck, is you say, hey, why don't you use one of your tools? And that means they have tools. In your guided math group, you need toolkits so that kids can use their tools. And then you say, hey, use one of your tools and I'll be back. And then if they're still stuck, you can suggest a tool. You can say, why don't you use the Rec and Rec? What you don't want to do is say, hey, why don't you use your Rec and Rec? Put 7 on the top, put 2 on the bottom, now count. I mean, that's over scaffolding. So you don't want to do that, but you do want to scaffold. So it's a fine line, but using those tools helps kids to scaffold their understanding. And so it's really important to teach kids to persevere, to have kids persevere all year long. And that's why I showed you those videos, because you want to be showing videos and poems and songs and picture books and all kinds of things that get the conversation going. Those things are springboards into really rich conversations about persevering. See, you don't want to just teach it at the beginning of the year. You teach perseverance. You grow perseverance. You grow a mindset throughout the year. So you might teach a song one week, but then you might do activities around that song for 2 or 3 weeks, right? It's really important to have that as an ongoing conversation every week throughout the year. So I just wanted to highlight that because I put up a bunch of videos for you to watch, but because that's really important, and I suggested that you go to my Pinterest board where there's lots of different videos and resources, many of which are free, and I think that it's so important. There's so much stuff out there now. Amazon has this really great program. Math Dojos, those videos are really good. Depends on your grade, but they have really good videos. And yeah, I mean, you could find the right set of resources to build that perseverance and then do it throughout the year. And then in the guided math groups, really take the time to grow it. All right. Thank you.